Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss the ideas of Franz Boas. Introduction. Franz Boas 1858 to 1942 is often regarded as the founder of modern anthropology in North America. His contributions to the field, especially in the early 20th century, were instrumental in shaping the study of Native American cultures and laying the groundwork for cultural anthropology. This video explores Boas's life, academic journey, key contributions, and the lasting impact of his work on anthropology. Early life and education. Background and academic beginnings. Born in Westphalia, Germany, Boas pursued an education in geography, physics, and mathematics, earning his doctorate at Kiel University in 1881. His academic rigor and multidisciplinary approach set the stage for his later work in anthropology. Greenland expedition. In 1882, Boas joined a meteorological expedition to Greenland, a transformative experience that shifted his focus towards understanding human behavior. Living among the Eskimos, Boas developed a deep interest in the factors influencing human actions and cultural expressions. Emigration to the United States. Academic career. Boas emigrated to the United States, where he began teaching geography and anthropology at Clark University. He later joined Columbia University, where he remained a significant academic figure until his death in 1942. At Columbia, he mentored many students who would become influential anthropologists, including Alfred Kroeber and Margaret Mead. Contributions to anthropology. Historical particularism. Boas rejected grand theories of laws in favor of detailed, empirical studies of cultural expressions. This approach, known as historical particularism, emphasized the importance of recording even minor cultural details to understand human behavior comprehensively. Boas's meticulous method highlighted the diversity and richness of human cultures. Critique of biological determinism. A significant aspect of Boas's work was his criticism of biological determinism, the idea that human behavior is primarily determined by genetics or nature. Instead, Boas emphasized the primacy of culture or nurture in shaping human development. This stance fueled one of the central intellectual and ideological debates of the 20th century, underscoring the role of environmental and cultural factors in human behavior. Emphasis on cultural complexity. Boas stressed the complexity, essential adequacy, and uniqueness of all human cultures and languages. He argued against viewing any culture as superior or inferior, promoting the idea that every culture has intrinsic value and should be studied on its own terms. Methodological innovations. Importance of fieldwork. Boas established the methodological importance of direct, personal fieldwork in anthropology. He believed that immersive, on-the-ground research was crucial for accurately understanding and documenting cultures. His extensive linguistic fieldwork among Native American tribes on the Canadian Pacific coast is a testament to his commitment to his approach. Wary of popularization. Despite his groundbreaking work, Boas was cautious about popularizing scholarship. He feared that oversimplified interpretations of complex cultural data could be misused for political purposes. During the 1930s, he strongly condemned fascist, pseudo-scientific theories of racial superiority, advocating for a scientifically rigorous and ethically responsible approach to anthropology. Legacy: influence on students and future anthropologists. Boas's impact on anthropology extends through his students, many of whom became major figures in the field. Alfred Kroeber, Margaret Mead, and others carried forward his emphasis on cultural relativism, detailed fieldwork, and the rejection of ethnocentric biases. Lasting contributions: Boas's insistence on the primacy of culture, the importance of historical particularism, and the value of immersive fieldwork have left a lasting legacy in anthropology. His work laid the foundation for modern cultural anthropology and continues to influence contemporary anthropological research and thought. Conclusion: Franz Boas's contributions to anthropology were revolutionary, shifting the focus from grand theories to the careful, detailed study of cultures. His emphasis on culture over biology, the importance of fieldwork, and the intrinsic value of all human cultures have had a profound and lasting impact on the field. As the founder of modern anthropology in North America, Boas's legacy endures in the work of his students and the ongoing evolution of anthropological studies. So this was the discussion on Franz Boas's ideas. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.